Hi guys, to enhance the design of a ClickFunnels classic two-step order form, we often see different designs for each step header rather than sticking with a plain look. You can easily achieve this using two images and custom JavaScript codes. First, design images that you want to display for each of the steps. Take two images above the two-step order form. Upload two images in the media gallery and replace them. Now copy the JavaScript code and paste it inside settings, tracking code, footer code. We need to update the data title of the images. Now copy this custom CSS code and paste it inside settings, custom CSS. It will hide the default step header and the second image. That's it. Now save the page and reload the preview. Now let's test it out. Hope you understand the process. You will get the link to the code in the video description. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.